Maybe it's 'cause we're young, got time and we're wasted, got no plans for the night. I love how you look at me, feeling low, nothing to lose. Can we say it tonight? 'Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here.
There are two cyclones around Australia right now, one heading up to Western Australia and the other one hanging around the Gulf, like coming into the Northern Territory. So I thought now is a good time to sort out our cyclone kit that I just keep seeing about, like, have your cyclone kit ready, have your cyclone kit ready. I have no idea what's supposed to be on a cyclone kit, so I did a bit of research and just looked up the Northern Territory cyclone pages and the Bureau of Meteorology places and got myself a sweet little cyclone kit. So things like water, batteries, torches, canned food, matches, first aid kit, masking tape, toilet paper, candles, pet supplies and utensils. So I don't know, I thought we could have a bit of fun with this. So let's go and see what we can do. Okay, this is a bit gimmicky because I haven't really taken it so seriously, but I probably should be taking it seriously. Anyway, I've got a little script here that I can walk you through. So this all started because 9 News Darwin put up a post and said, make your cyclone kits today. And I was like, oh, shit. Like, yeah, I should probably do that. And I don't know. I was like, I wonder what you could put in a cyclone kit. I wonder what you should put in a cyclone kit. And I was just rolling with it, so it was fun. But in all seriousness though, I declared a state of emergency for not Darwin obviously, but the Gulf is pretty buggered right now. So don't underestimate the power of a cyclone. They're pretty crazy. And in saying that, Darwin actually has cyclones on both sides of us, which I will put up a photo and show you. It's pretty crazy. It's Australia here, Darwin in the middle, and then 2 cyclones on either side. Anyway, so I was interested, like, you know, what do you put in a cyclone box? Why do you need it? Where do you put it? Blah, 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 all this stuff. And I went on to nhis.com and it said, prepare your cyclone kits today. Don't wait when you really need them, because then the shops are going to be full and all sorts of stuff. So I was like, oh, okay, cool. I got to spare a couple hours before work, so just gonna make a cyclone kit. Job done. I'm gonna show you my cyclone kit. It's gimmicky. It's silly. It's funny, but whatever. And I'll put the voiceover as well, and then watch that and come back. Welcome to my first voiceover and welcome to my first cyclone kit. So starting off, we had the Chow Crown board game. This one just looked the funniest. I've been meaning to get a board game for Ollie for a while, and this one was just perfect. Kids on the box are having a great old time, and I was like, Corey is gonna do this one with me. It's gonna be great. I was like, gonna get it. I had to get some crackers and foods and all sorts of fun stuff, because obviously if a storm comes through, we're going to need food and candles. This is kind of just a small little box that we can add to as we go, and it's fun, cool kind of stuff in there that we can use in our daily lives anyway. So I'll pop those ones in there. I had a great time doing this, and I'm sure as we go I'll learn a bit more about things to put in a cyclone box. This is currently maybe just a rainy Friday box. These are keys that we do have, and cutlery, like God forbid a cyclone comes through. I don't know why we would put cutlery, which was on the list, and some tape. That's actually kind of handy. I know where that is now. If a cyclone comes through, we need to board up the windows. That's handy. Torches and stuff, which is handy to have. And I found this really, really cute little book for Ollie that I could read to him if it was stormy and crazy outside. It's raining, rainbows happen for the storms, so I'm sure he'll like that. And then, of course, to make Corey happy, I got Magore. So it's my little Cyclone Kit gift basket.